Hi guys, it's me again. I think you kind of saw me in this outfit already, but I'm going to kill two birds with one stone. We're going to just talk about a tourist guide to visiting Jamaica in 2021. So guys, welcome back if you're here already and joined the family. We're happy that you are here today watching the video and want to know more when you're about to travel to the beautiful island of Jamaica. And if you're new, I would like you to subscribe so you can actually join the family. We're growing and glowing and I love to see it because you guys are the best. All right, first thing I want to say is our language is English, so you have no problem with understanding us because you're understanding me, and I'm a Jamaican born and raised, so you have nothing to worry about when coming to Jamaica and trying to understand what the Jamaicans are saying to you. But I would suggest also to learn a little bit of Patois, a little bit of Creole, so you can understand like the real raw chaw Jamaicans. I mean, once they see that you're a tourist, they'll start speaking English, but if you want to get like good deals on some of the tourist attractions, then I suggest you learn some little bit of Creole so you can talk the talk with them, right? And if you want to experience the best of Jamaica, which is not on TripAdvisor, I would suggest you be friendly with the locals so you can get all of that good stuff and make the most of your experience in this beautiful country. Let me say that while you are doing all the excursions and going about the place and exploring the country, best believe you can get lost. Listen, Google Maps, as much as you have that thing on your phone and the navigation in your car, you can still get lost because there are some off the beaten track places like beaches and rivers that you would love to see, but they're not on Google Maps. So what I suggest, you get a tour guide, get a Jamaican local and ask them, hey, where are the closest or nearby or hidden gem beaches and rivers that we can explore, because best believe, like I said, it is the places that are not on Google Maps that are the best, and you look like you've taken it out of a dream or off of a travel magazine and you're just like, where is this? Nobody knows, but you know, you're in the moment and you're just enjoying it and you're taking your 1 and 2 pictures there. But yes, befriend the locals and find your way to that place, because like I said, Google Maps does not have everything, and you know, you want to explore Jamaica and enjoy it for what it's worth. But hold on, don't think that you're going to get lost all the time, because Jamaica is thoroughly outlined. Like the maps, Google Maps does do a good job at it. All right, so let me not say that you're going to get lost. You can get lost, but majority of the time, like 95% of the time, you don't get lost because Google Maps does a good job. Let me not say Google Maps don't know what I'm saying about, because they do. All right, yeah. What kind of climate do we have down in Jamaica? We have a tropical climate. You know, I did geography, but I didn't really care about it. The rainy season is not cute. You might want to like say, hey, look, when are the rainy seasons in Jamaica, and work around it, as in avoid it like the plague, because once you come down here and it's raining non-stop, you won't really enjoy it, because you'll be in your hotel room or in your Airbnb sitting down waiting for the rain to stop, and it doesn't stop, and you will be wasting your days on Jamaican soil. And yeah, so if it's rainy season, which is June 1 to November 30th, which is also hurricane season, you want to avoid those times. I mean, it's not going to be raining from June 1 to November 30th, but keep in mind when you come down here that it might rain. So as it relates to currency, you want to use the Jamaican money. We have Jamaican currency down here, and you want to change out your UK or US or whoever else's currency into Jamaican money so you can freely use it at every corner shop and a tourist attraction, and you don't have to worry about the exchange rates, because like I said, every place has a different exchange rate and you want the most for your buck. So if you want to exchange it down in the airport, then do so. But if you want to go all the way to a MoneyGram or a Western Union or whichever other institution that changes it, a bank, maybe you're going to want to change it as soon as you come off the plane. You don't want to be wasting time going to a MoneyGram or a Western Union every single time just to change out money. That is time wasted, because Jamaicans are here waiting for money to be sent from abroad to them. So the lines are going to be long. So if you are an Airbnb person, or if you're staying with a family friend or relative, you just want to shop at the supermarkets and shop at all the other corner shops that are available, because it is cheaper. It is cheaper to shop at the supermarket. I'm sure you know this. Creating meals and planning out your meals for the week or the meals for the duration of your stay, I'm sure you know that is cheaper if you go the supermarket route. Because I'm not going to lie to you, people who are selling food and the restaurants are kind of expensive, and you could possibly put that money into going on a trip or a tourist attraction and save on the money that you use for food. Put it into something else. All right, simple, plain, easy. I've gotten this question more than once, is if you can drink the water down here. I've had people buy gallons and gallons and gallons of water. You can actually drink the tap water. You can even drink the ocean water if you drop and land in the sea and you're taking some water in your system. It is fine, guys. You won't get cholera, you won't get any other disease. Take it from me, who drinks tap water every single day of my life. All right, but if it looks kind of cloudy and if it looks like a different color from regular water, which is supposed to be colorless, then I suggest you do not drink it. And if you drink it and say that I tell you so, I will come for you. I want to say that you can actually do roaming down in Jamaica. So you can tell your carrier up in wherever you live that you can use your phone and roam. You can also use Wi-Fi down here, because Wi-Fi is readily available in most locations. So you don't have to worry about not being able to use your phone. You just have to pay for the additional charges. Like if you call back a woman in America, or if you call back a sister in the UK, then you pay for those charges. And I think this is the last one, which is all COVID protocols are observed. We wear our masks down here, we sanitize every 2 seconds, and we stay socially distant, because although we want you guys down here, we have to protect ourselves. So we also have curfews. So mind you, if I'm posting this during the time of curfew, but I think that curfew not going like just dissipate into the air when I post this. But right now, curfew is enforced to just decrease the level of cases that are reported per day. So when you go or when you come down here, you have to ensure that you're abiding by the curfew rules, abiding by the COVID rules, and abiding by whatever rules enforced to ensure your safety, because we want you to come down here and we want you to go back up safe and sound. All right, so you can check out their official website, which is traveljamaica.com/travel authorization, to just ensure that you have all these on lock and understand what you are required to do when you step foot on Jamaican soil. So guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. I hope I added value to your life in some way. I am very happy to see you again and again and again. If you're new here, please subscribe. It is free. You don't have to worry about a thing with us, because we are growing and glowing, and I love to see it. So I'm gonna leave you guys now. Have a great day, great week, great month, great year. I don't care what it is, as long as it's great. And with us, we have a great time, we have a great energy, and good vibes only. Bye.